Hey, what up, guys? This is Josh from JC Food Productions Television. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, so I'm about to try this new place out in Ventura. It's called Fire Island Grill. Yeah, I've never been here before. Oh wait, hold on one second. Okay, yeah, sorry guys. There was like a motorcycle in like the background and it was like making a lot of noise. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to try this place, Fire Island Grill. They're new. They're here in Ventura, off of Telephone by Vaughn's. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this place. I like Q and Q. That's on Victoria, but that's like kind of different. So, let's give this place a shot. Yeah. Yeah, and here's what the front of the building looks like. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this place. And are you guys ready? Lego. Alright guys, so I'm back. I got the shrimp platter with white rice and pineapple teriyaki sauce, but I got steak with it, so, and no veggies this time, and it's a plate, it's not a bowl, so I'm pretty excited to try this. Yeah, one day I'm gonna review this place against Q and Q and see who wins the epic battle. Then yeah, there's my receipt. Yeah, that's how much I paid. And yeah, the cashier was like super friendly. I didn't get their name, but yeah, they were pretty good service. So let's taste test this food. And they did get points for the friendly service. So yeah, that's like 1 point that they get. And there's macaroni salad. Let me get this open real quick. Oh, and there it is. Wow, that looks super bomb. And they gave me a lemon, but I'm probably not gonna have the lemon. Super yummy, looks super yummy. All right, let's take this lemon out. I don't want that. And then I have leftover hot sauce. Hawaiian hot sauce, or whatever it is. Yeah, whatever that thing is. Oh, it looks like they put garlic seasoning on this. Looks super bomb. I'm gonna try the shrimp first. Shrimp looks really good. Oh yeah, that's just really good. And I had mild sauce with it, so it's not super spicy. Let's try the steak next. Steak's all right. I feel like the shrimp is better. Eat it with some rice. All right, so I'm gonna review real quick. It was good, but it was really expensive. Honestly, like I would give this place another shot, but Q and Q is still the win to go. So there you have it, guys. There's the official Fire Island, whatever that place is called, Fire Island restaurant here in Ventura, over by Vaughn's. And cool, thanks for watching. Peace.